Hello, everybody. Another good afternoon to you all. Here in this video clip, we will see what is uh, actually quantum mechanics, the introduction to quantum mechanics, the scientists in quantum mechanics, where it actually started. Actually, to say about quantum mechanics, way back it started in the year 1800. So randomly, if you do want to say the scientist not by order, then you can say plenty of numerous scientists did marvelous work on this. Say, for example, Max Planck on one side, Max Born, Albert Einstein, de Broglie, Ernst Schrödinger, Heisenberg, Dirac, so many scientists are there. We used to come across these scientists in our syllabus when we go for studying quantum mechanics as a paper. Now we will get a overall introduction about where quantum mechanics actually starts or what is quantum mechanics. If one straight away asks you to say about what is quantum mechanics, then you might be in a position to say quantum mechanics is the study of dash and dash immediately. So rather I would say like this, quantum mechanics is a physical science dealing with the behavior of matter and energy. I stress it, quantum mechanics is a science, it's a physical science. It deals with the behavior of matter and energy. Okay? In classical mechanics also we study about matter and energy. Now what's the difference between classical mechanics and quantum mechanics? In classical mechanics we study about, of course, matter and the energy, but of macroscopic scale. Whereas in quantum mechanics we study about the same matter and energy in microscopic scale or subatomic scale. Subatomic scale, it means study about the matter and energy of electrons, protons, neutrons. See, when we speak like this, then immediately it would struck your mind that who found electron, who found neutron, who found proton, in in what circumstances, in which year he or she found the subatomic particles. Okay, I go back to that. Again, I say like this, quantum mechanics is the study of science, physical science. It deals with the behavior of matter and energy in the subatomic scale. It is the size of atoms, subatomic particles. It also forms the basis of contemporary understanding of how very large objects such as stars and galaxies and cosmological events such as a Big Bang can be explained analytically. Quantum mechanics is the foundation of several related disciplines including nanotechnology, uh, condensed matter physics, quantum chemistry, structural biology, particle physics, and electronics, of course, to some extent. The quantum mechanics, the term is first coined by the scientist Max Born. And as I said, okay, we know the scientist now. Around which year it would be? Max Born actually coined the term quantum mechanics in 1924. The acceptance by the general physics community of quantum mechanics is due to its accurate prediction of the physical behavior of systems, including the systems where Newtonian mechanics fails. So, now I said the name of a scientist, Newton. Whenever I say BC or we hear about Newton, Newton comes in classical. So when Newtonian mechanics fails, that is when classical mechanics fails, the quantum mechanics emerges. Even general relativity is limited in ways of quantum mechanics is not for describing systems at the atomic scale or smaller, at very low or very high energies or at the lowest temperatures. Through a century of experimentation and applied science, quantum mechanical theory has proven to be very successful and practical. The foundations of quantum mechanics date from the early 1800. So quantum mechanics starts from the year 1800, but the real beginning of quantum mechanics date from the work of Max Planck in the year 1900. Earlier I said Max Born actually coined the term quantum mechanics in the year 1924. Now you see, the quantum mechanics starts in the year 1800, and in 1900 Max Planck actually started with a big work. Then Albert Einstein and Niels Bohr soon made important contributions to what is now called old quantum theory. So probably I may be speaking about new quantum theory within 2 minutes or 5 minutes, 2 or 5 minutes, or in next paragraph, next line. However, it was not until 1924 that a more complete picture emerged with de Broglie, the hypothesis, matter wave hypothesis, and the true importance of quantum mechanics became clear. Now we will see some of the most prominent scientists of quantum mechanics, their contributions subsequently in the mid 1920s to what is now we call it as new quantum theory. They were Max Born, Paul Dirac, Werner Heisenberg, Wolfgang Pauli, and Erwin Schrödinger. Later, the field was further expanded with some other scientists' work in quantum electrodynamics and quantum chromodynamics. We, as of now, need not go for all the things. We will stop with this for our studies of our syllabus. In any university, in any syllabus, we should know first about the origin of quantum mechanics. So, concludingly, I say it again, quantum mechanics started in the year 1800. It got its real start in the year 1900. In the year 1924, Max Born actually coined the term quantum mechanics. De Broglie also in 1924 said about matter wave hypothesis, and so many other scientists, as I said, they gave full support for the new quantum theory. So I hope this is a way of giving introduction to quantum mechanics. We will see it elaborately in my next lectures. Till then, thank you very much. Bye.